Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson number 30. My name is Professor Roberts, and today we will practice more on rationalization of numerators with binomial square roots. All right, now let's just dive into it. We'll start with the first example, number 1, and that's root 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Now, as we've seen in our past lessons, rationalization of a numerator or a denominator means the removal of the root sign. And we do that by multiplying the entire expression, that is root 2 plus 1, the numerator, by a conjugate expression of the numerator. So in this case, root 2 plus 1 will have to be multiplied by a conjugate, which will be root 2 minus 1. And what you do to one part of a fraction, you must do to the other. So we also have to multiply 2 by the conjugate of root 2 plus 1, which is root 2 minus 1. Then we can move on to multiply out distributively our numerator part. So we'll start with the root 2 multiplied by root 2 will give us 2. And then root 2 multiplied by negative 1, which will give us negative root 2, negative root 2. And then 1 times root 2 will give us positive root 2. And then positive 1 times negative 1, which will give us negative 1. And this is all supposed to be divided by 2 multiplied by root 2 minus 1, which will be 2 into root 2 minus 1. Now, we have to simplify the top, the numerator top. We have plus root 2 and minus root 2, so those two cancel. Then we have 2 minus 1, which will leave us with 1 at the top. And then at the bottom, we have 2 into root 2 minus 1. And that's our answer. All right. Okay, so let's try a second example. And that is root x plus 3 minus root x. And this is divided by 3. Again, this example is very similar to example number 1. To simplify this expression by rationalizing the numerator part of the expression, we multiply the numerator part of the expression by a conjugate expression, which is exactly the same expression, only that with a negative sign or a sign that's reverse of what is existing. So we have root x plus 3 root x plus 3 plus root x. And what we do to one part of a fraction, we must do to the other. So even at the bottom, we have to multiply 3 by x plus 3 plus root x. So this expression will work out by using the distributive method. Root x plus 3 multiplied by root x plus 3 will leave us with x plus 3. And then root x plus 3 multiplied by root x will give us positive root x into x plus 3. And then minus root x multiplied by root x plus 3 will give us minus root x into x plus 3. And then minus root x times root x will give us minus x. And all this will be divided by 3 into root x plus 3 plus root x. So we can move on to simplify what we have here. So plus root x into x times x plus 3 minus root x into x plus 3 will cancel out. And then minus x here will cancel out with x there. And we are left with just 3 at the top. So this expression becomes 3 over 3 multiplied by root x plus 3 plus root x. And finally, 3 will be 1 and 3 here will be 1. So we will have 1 over root x plus 3 plus root x. And this will be our final answer. All right. Okay. So if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and subscribe for more algebra made simple courses. See you in the next lesson, and bye for now.